enthusiasm, or rather lack of it. That's exactly what I wanted to talk about today. I've been observing few changes, and these are like very periodic stuff that I observe. I've not spoken about it in the past, but two set of people, like rather two people that I come across in my life, who sort of like showcase this, maybe I would say, like fake enthusiasm every time something happens, and when few days passes by, then it completely dies out. First off, this the first person from this list is one of my team member, and what happens with them is that every time something they're appreciated of something that they have done, or if they get recognized of what that person has done, suddenly this person goes into a very high state of josh, I would call it, I mean enthusiasm rather. So, and then on for the next few days, make no mistake, this person is like following it up with all resources and trying to make sure that they portray why they have been recognized for, and go and like kind of like indirectly tell that I have got recognized for this. I think we have to do more of this. You will all get recognized for this. See, that initiative is good, but you should do it with a good and clean mindset. And at least I have not observed this person to be approaching this with such a mindset. I mean, it's common. It's common in IT industry. Nobody wants to do it for the benefit of team. Nobody, I'll tell you. And everyone comes with their own package that it's I, me, myself. When I, me, myself gets recognized, then they show that they want to do it with the team also. But after a few days, it's all gone case. So this is something I've been observing since last few days. So one of my team member got recognized and appreciated and rewarded also for something that they have done. So since then, maybe it's like what, about 3 days now. This person is like completely flying and mingling with the team, showcasing, yeah, I'm the person who got recognized and all. Now I'll enable you to get recognized. And this person is also having regular catch-up meeting with this team members, and I got called for one of those meetings today to discuss about how to get yourself recognized and all. I seriously don't understand why people do all these things. Like, if they want to grow, let them grow. If they want to keep on doing things which will make them get appreciated, fine. But handpicking youngsters and kind of, let me be honest, kind of giving this fake assurance that you do all these things, you'll prosper and you'll also get recognized. I don't know. Either handhold them and make sure that you enable that thing, that whole thing of they getting recognized, or don't do it. Either do or don't do. Don't do this thing wherein you pull them up, telling that okay, we will do this, we will do that. You'll also become like me and all those things, and then literally dumping them halfway through. I'm just telling you, dumping them. Okay, and it happens like quite often. These people, like, they don't know what to do, they don't know where to go, they don't know whom to approach, and they'll always be in this halo that okay, something good will happen, and suddenly they get ditched, and they just, that enthu in them itself dies down. So I kind of have been in the situation like this, way back in, I think, 2016. uh, One of my senior team member, they started um, kind of brainwashing me with all this aura that okay, you'll become famous, you'll get this, you'll get that, and it's the best thing to happen in our organization, and you'll also be one of them and all. And they made best use of me, I'll be honest with that also. So they made best use of my capabilities or whatever. Literally, they dumped me. Okay, and they know that they dumped me, and they are guilty that they have dumped. And for quite a long time, they try to shield themselves, or they try to distance themselves so that I don't go and question them why they dumped me and all. But for whatever reason, I didn't even go back and question them. Like, I just remained where I am. But I see a lot of, I think they are also influenced. This, my team members are also influenced by these people. So I see that they are also doing this kind of thing. I'm not telling they'll dump them, but still giving this false assurance and fake assurances and all are It's not good. Anyway, again, these are all the things that I'm talking about. Enthusiasm, all this temporary enthusiasm stuff. Now, the second thing is apparently one of my family members itself, not my immediately family members, but somebody who's related to me. This family, the way it happens is when something is going in their favor and when they want our attention or my attention, typically our attention, like our family's attention, they're all like feel completely like charged up and excited, and they keep calling us, they keep following it up with us and telling, keeping updated and all. But if they don't have something for them to be what do I say, like proud about, or something is not going fine with the same situation, a situation which made them go up, if there is if that turns wrong or bad, I can't, I really don't want to talk about what is that situation thing, but if the situation does not go in their favor, they just literally don't even bother um, responding back to us, or at least keeping us informed. I've seen it happen many times over the last few years. And this time, I think something happened this during this week also, and I was just talking to my dad some time back, and during this week, we were actually called. Me and my dad were actually called to go to their house and regarding something, but I couldn't go because my office commitment, and there was no way I could have stepped out and gone, because weekdays I don't want to do all this stuff, and I didn't send my dad because again. The situation is not good in our area. Situation is not good. The city, the situation is not good, and traveling, especially him, he being aged, I didn't wanted to risk him, so I told no. But while I told no and they agreed or not agreed is secondary, but I could see that I just told him, I just predicted few things. I told, like, see, their enthusiasm level is at this level. In 1 or 2 days, it will shoot up like anything, and after that, whatever that incident that is supposed to happen, and immediately it will die down. Immediately it will come down, and then they'll go into this lo-fi phase and all this stuff. My dad was saying, yeah, yeah, you started predicting them very well, and you can gauge how enthusiastic they become when certain things they need from us, and once everything is done, they just go into their hibernation or cocoon. Yeah, and that exactly happened, kind of happened. Okay, so it happened like me and my dad have to call them and ask what happened, and because of the reason why they had called us, and then they told like something is not going fine, something is not good and all. So these type of fake enthusiasm thing is what I don't like. Be constant, be at one level. If you really want to be happy, be happy. Happy and enthusiasm are not related according to me. When you're happy, it need not be that you're enthusiastic, but most of the time when people are enthusiastic, they pretend that they're over happy. I For me, I don't relate the second part of it, but be normal, be happy, be positive, and treat people equally, irrespective of whether the situation has made you more enthusiastic or less enthusiastic. Don't treat it just because you want to gain something or you have gained something. I've told both the situations. Somebody who has gained something and they start pretending to be enthusiastic. Somebody who wants something from you, that's why they behave enthusiastic. Don't do that. Okay, it does not work. It looks too artificial, and once if it's the same set of people that whom you are um, talking to, or making them go through all these things, then it becomes obvious for them, and even they start avoiding you. So my only thing for people listening or watching to this is, if you really are uh, keen on keeping that relationship active, keeping that conversations active, and keeping that mindset in a normal way, don't pretend to be over enthusiastic. Be normal, behave normal with people. Okay, you don't have to pretend. I mean, I think I repeated it quite a few times in the last 1 minute. So that's what I wanted to talk about. It's a Friday evening. It's a pretty good, calm evening today. Plan to go out in the weekend and have called some people to do some modifications to the house, some changes that I am doing, repair stuff, and some additions to the terrace that we are thinking of. Let's hope that the guys turn up tomorrow and that work starts. But apart from that, I plan to take my bike out and just go for a ride tomorrow, provided I get up early. Okay, so I'll be back on Monday on 27th. So the results for the government contest have still not come. Hoping that it might come tomorrow or the after tomorrow, because Sunday is the last date for it. As of now, it has not come. But if it doesn't come, also no worries. I've been thinking and I've been discussing with my family members that we will proceed with this idea, even if the contest stuff does not go through to the next round. So let's see what happens over the weekend. I'll keep you posted on what happened and how things went on Monday. So I'll catch you back on Monday evening. Thank you so much for listening, and have a nice weekend. See you on Monday. Bye bye.